Welcome to the world of C# and .NET. In this video, we'll explore some fundamental concepts that will help you start your programming journey. We'll cover base and derived classes, the base keyword, method overriding, and sealed classes. By the end, you'll have a solid understanding of these core ideas and how they contribute to robust software development. In object-oriented programming, inheritance is a key concept. It allows you to create new classes based on existing ones, fostering a hierarchical structure. The original class is called the base class, or parent class, and the new class is called the derived class, or child class. This relationship is fundamental to code reusability. Here, vehicle is our base class. It might have properties like model name. The car class inherits from vehicle, meaning it automatically gets the model name property. We use a colon to show inheritance, a concise syntax that clearly defines the parent-child relationship between classes. This makes the code structure easy to understand. Now, a car object can use both the inherited model name and its own color property. Inheritance promotes code reusability and organization, making your programs more efficient. Inheritance establishes a parent-slash-child relationship between classes, promoting code reusability and reducing redundancy. This is a powerful principle in object-oriented design. Sometimes, a derived class needs to access a member of the base class that it has overridden, or to explicitly call a base class constructor. That's where the base keyword comes in. In the employee class, base.getInfo calls the getInfo method of the person class before adding its own information. This ensures the base functionality is executed. Here, base calls the constructor of the person class that accepts a name parameter. The base keyword ensures proper initialization of base class members, maintaining data integrity. Use base to access base class members, especially when overriding methods or calling base class constructors. It's crucial for managing inheritance effectively. Method overriding allows a derived class to provide a specific implementation for a method that is already defined in its base class. This is a key part of polymorphism, the ability to perform a single action in different ways. The virtual keyword in the base class allows the derived class to override the method. The override keyword in the derived class indicates that it's providing a new implementation. Even though animal dog is of type animal, because it is a dog, the overridden method is called. This is polymorphism in action, allowing flexible and dynamic behavior. Mark base class methods as virtual to allow overriding in derived classes. Use override in derived classes to provide specific implementations, tailoring behavior as needed. Sometimes, you want to prevent other classes from inheriting from your class. This is where sealed classes come in. A sealed class cannot be used as a base class. The sealed keyword prevents any other class from inheriting from math constants. This can be useful for performance reasons, security, or to ensure that the class's behavior remains unchanged. A method can also be sealed, and in that case, the method cannot be overridden. However, a method can be sealed only in classes where it has been inherited. If you want to declare a method as sealed, then it has to be declared as virtual in its base class. This ensures a clear chain of command for method behavior. Use sealed when you want to finalize the structure of a class and prevent inheritance, or when you have a class with static members that should not be extended. Congratulations! You've learned about base and derived classes, the base keyword, method overriding, and sealed classes in C#. These concepts are foundational to object-oriented programming and will serve you well as you continue your C#/.NET journey. Keep practicing and happy coding!